Hello, we're going to do another day in the Gely postcard play. So up to day 18. So my pile of cards is getting whittled away. So I'm just going to shuffle, and whatever ends up on the top after my third shuffle is the one I'm doing. That's this one. Okay. That's was done with a hot glue mask. So squiggle of hot glue on baking paper, another piece of baking paper on top, and then ironed to flatten it out, and then I used it as a mask on the gel plate. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but come up with something. Just looking at it from all different angles, seeing if it suggests anything to me. It's snaky, isn't it? Or like an overhead river. Then what are these things? I don't know. I just really like it. I feel like I should just go around it in black and leave it as it is. But we can't be that slack. Maybe a bit of stenciling. Or maybe the Yosemite writing. This is the PM Artist Studio stencil. Now, I actually think white would look nice on that. Maybe 2 lines down this side. So I've got white acrylic. I'm going to put it on with a paint knife. I'll use this big one. I like the way that looks. Okay, so it's probably not 100% dry, but dry on the surface, so I can work with it. I thought I could try and get something going along there. Following this line. I'm just going to put something on here to keep that clean. So I think I'll use the white again. Yeah, I'm just looking at where this line is. Trying to get the stencil so I can see the line. Hopefully that's going to work. Oops, went underneath it then. Probably messed it up. Oh, that worked okay. Oh, that's where I missed it there, but that's fine. I'll take this off. I can see what it looks like. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, just going to dry that off. Okay, so I've got acrylic paint in the colour Midnight Blue, which is very similar to Payne's Grey. It might be more of an indigo. I want to just paint around the edge of the card. Just want to get a little bit more in the corners. I like my corners dark, especially if I'm painting or doing a proper painting. Proper, when I say proper, like a scene, a landscape or something. I always like to have my corners nice and dark. Oopsie. Good enough paint there to go around the edge of the rest of the card, I think. Okay, so I just sort of obliterated that. I love these greens with this dark blue. It's a nice match. Okay, so we need a little bit more on this corner. That one's not too bad. These ones come in a little bit too far, but it doesn't matter. Just going to jaggedy up the edge. So oops, never mind. Okay. So that's number 18. Done. Yeah, that's rubbish. Let's go this way. Try again. Third time lucky. 1. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Looks like a face with a sad mouth. Which way does this go? I think it goes that way. They almost look like people running. Okay, so that's number 18. That was done. Nice and easy.